Digon o sôn yma na Ibrox heddiw. Y cefnogwr lleol di dod i gefnogi'r tîm dan 11. A swp di teithio Wrecsam hefyd. Dyma Serge Atacau, trio creu lle i groesi. Douglas Tam, capten. Wrecsam di glynu at I dasg. Jamie Barchonas, meddwl am ergydion yn chrymanu hi, fymryn heibio'r postyn na. Mi oedd Christian Dibble yn poeni am eiliad. Oedd rhaid iddo fo mestyn amdani, cynnig da gan Jamie Barchonas. Bale hyd I gyfeiriad Jazzy Barnum Bob. John Flanagan oedd ar peniad. Dyma Leighton McIntosh. McIntosh ar cynnig arbediad da gan Kieran Wright. Falle bod ti'n mynd heibio'r nod, ond oedd I werth mentro. Wrecsam di curo Ayr United a thîm dan 11 St Mirren I gyrraedd yr 8 ola. Y Rangers di curo Berwick, Stranraer, Ballymena a Solihull Moors hyd yma. Chwarae slick gan Wrecsam, Oswell y cyffyrddiad at Kyle Robinson Murray, fymryn heibio'r traws gan y gŵr ifanc. Serge Atacau nôl at Flanagan, y croesiad dros ben pawb. Jamie Barchonas nôl at James Maxwell. Maxwell yn llac, ond yn cael cyfle arall gan Robinson Murray. Maxwell ar bas, y ffigiad gan Young Coombs. A Jamie Barchonas yn rhoi y tîm cartre ar y blaen. Wedi 35 o funudau. Ond y ffigiad na gan Nathan Young Coombs yn creu'r gol. Doedd Barchonas ddim yn cam sefyll. A mae hogiau ifanc Rangers di mynd ar y blaen. Dyma Kai Kennedy, Robinson Murray a Barnum Bob yn I fugeilio fo. Yn trio creu lle I gael y croesiad na I fewn. O, mae di gwneud yn dda croesiad teg at John Flanagan sy'n cyrraedd yr ergyd. Yn nerthol gan Flanagan cyn chwaraewr Lerpwl ac un capi Loegr wrth gwrs. Lewis Mayo at y sgoriwr Barchonas. Yn mynd am I ail arbediad gan Dibble, mae di gollwng hi, a Nathan Young Coombs yno I ddyblu'r fantais. Yr hogyn 1 ar 15 oed. Chwaraeodd o ran allweddol yn y gol gynta, ac ella fod oedd I selio lle tîm Rangers dan 11 yn y rownd gynderfynol.
We knew today was going to be difficult. We know Wrexham have had a busy schedule. They've played lots of games already this season. We didn't know what kind of team they would bring. It was a change from their main team. But we always tried to make the game about us. We always tried to make it about our tempo and how we play. And I thought, for the majority, the players managed to do that.
Dean, obviously not the result you wanted, but what did you make of your young team's performance today?
Yeah, look, it's you said not the result we wanted, but it was a valuable exercise for us. We got minutes into the pros, and the young lads can be proud of what they've done today.
And what an occasion for them playing at Ibrox.
Yeah, as you said, what an occasion, but ultimately we came here to try and win a football match. It's an unbelievable stadium, world class. Put an unbelievable following up here. Just disappointed we couldn't send them home with a smile on the face.
Well, considering we'd not won a game until this season, to manage to get through to the semis is fantastic for the group. I have to say, I've thoroughly enjoyed it. I've thoroughly enjoyed watching them and seeing them grow. And we're on to the next challenge. So the challenge, as always, is to win the next game. It's a lot different from academy football, where you get a regular games programme. But this means something to the players. It's got a status attached to it. It's got consequence attached to it. And I think whilst they're being stretched, you're seeing the best of some of them. I thought some of our play and some of our individual performances were top draw. Our challenge for them is to harness all of those elements into a 90-minute performance. When we do that, I think we will really say that our development and our teaching is having a real effect.